Oklahoma companies are making moves to reduce their greenhouse emissions. That's one of the highlights in this week's Oklahoma Business Review. Here's Jason Doyle.
Natural gas midstream company Williams is closer to its environmental goals. In its 2020 sustainability report, the company has reduced its methane emissions from processing plants and compressor stations by more than 58% since 2012, while increasing the volumes of natural gas being transported by its pipelines. Williams leadership says it has set a near-term goal of 56% absolute reduction from 2005 levels of greenhouse gas emissions by 2030, which puts it on the path to net zero carbon emissions by 2050. Oklahoma City-based Lopez Dorada Foods has signed onto a long-term virtual power agreement for solar power as part of its plan to offset its greenhouse gas emissions. The company is making the move to reduce its emissions 25% by 2030, which they say would be the equivalent of removing 2,400 vehicles from the road. Lopez Dorada's largest client is McDonald's, which has been working with its suppliers to go green. Electric vehicle manufacturer Canoo has named Josette Sheeran as its president this week. Sheeran is a former UN Special Envoy, the former director of the UN World Food Program, and served as an ambassador in Asia and Africa. She currently sits on Canoo's board of directors as well. The company is building its electric vehicle manufacturing facility in Tulsa. Higher crude oil prices have helped Tulsa-based Himmler & Payne reduce its quarterly net loss in the most recent quarter. The company lost $56 million from April to June compared to its fiscal second quarter net loss of $121 million. Company leaders are optimistic that oil prices will remain high and Himmler & Payne will continue to gain market share for its oil rigs and services. Oklahoma City-based Bank 7 Corp. reported net record income for the second quarter of this year at $6.1 million, an increase of more than 21% over the second quarter of 2020. Bank 7 officials say strong loan growth and loan fee income combined with a high efficiency ratio helped produce the profitable results. Starting in October, Southwest Airlines will begin a new nonstop flight from Oklahoma City to Austin, Texas. This will be the 13th nonstop flight from Oklahoma City to other Southwest Air destinations. The first Austin to Oklahoma City flight will be on October 7th. Jason Doyle, the Oklahoma Business Review.